Hey gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here. I'm going to take the Sky in my Geprc onboard 1080p high def recording. Just bought a couple more XM Plus antennas here. I managed to shred the, the other two that are on there. Modified it slightly and they're quite long. There's got a different lollipop on the back here from a VTX, so we'll see if that makes a difference. I think it will though. Check out my other videos, unboxing reviews of this unit. This is a terrific little buzz around. Link down below gang where you get it from. Yeah, it's a pretty speedy unit with these 5000 kV speedy motors. Different props on. I think these props complement this unit a little bit better than the standard ones. So let's get up there, get some recording going on the onboard and have a scoot around. Thanks for stopping by, folks. VTX is rolling on the old Sky Zones. I'll just have a bit of a cruise around first, see how she feels, make sure everything is as it's supposed to be. Nice smooth fly this is, guys. I think you'll also agree the picture it pumps out is pretty exceptional. Let's do a bit of a punch out. A little bit of break up there. There's a few poles and things around. I am sitting on, I believe, 400 milliwatts here. Pretty cool unit this is, guys. Very controllable. Look at that view. Great picture from the onboard Caddx, folks. Oh, we have RX lost. Okay. We're still recording on board. As I've just done the Betaflight update, I haven't actually reconfigured my on-screen display, so I'm not too sure what my battery level is. And that could actually be our problem. Well, I think I did what I need to do anyway. She seems to be flying pretty well and looking pretty good with the new lollipop on the rear. I'm getting a few breakups here considering we're so close, so I might need to investigate that before I do too much more zipping around the place, otherwise we may lose her. Okay, I think we've got a low battery warning now. Wasn't sure if it would come up, but it does, so we're saying low battery, so I think we'll bring her into land now. There you have it, guys. I'll just finish off with a quick bit of line of sight and do a punch out so you guys can have a listen. A nifty little unit this is. It's all to fly. Lots of fun. It's probably drained the battery. Okay. Yeah, improvements to be made. I'll just kill my recording. Let us know what you think, gang, in the comments. Lots of fun, robust little unit, plenty of spares available. Thanks heaps for stopping by, much appreciated. The Geprc Sky Pilot. See you soon, bye for now.